Group 17 elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetine, and tennessine are members of group 17. These are collectively known as halogens. Greek halo means salt and genes means born, that is, salt producers. The halogens are highly reactive, non-metallic elements. Like groups 1 and 2, the elements of group 17 show great similarity amongst other groups of the periodic table. Also, there is a regular gradation in their physical and chemical properties. Acetine and tennessine are radioactive elements. Occurrence: fluorine and chlorine are fairly abundant, while bromine and iodine less so. Fluorine is present mainly as insoluble fluorides. Fluorspar, CaF2, cryolite, Na3AlF6, and fluoroapatite, CCA3PO4 hold twice CaF2, and small quantities are present in soil, river, and water plants, and bones and teeth of animals. Seawater contains chlorides, bromides, and iodides of sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, but is mainly sodium chloride solution, 2.5% by mass. The deposits of dried up seas contain these compounds. Example: sodium chloride and carnallite, KCl, MgCl2.6H2O. Certain forms of marine life contain iodine in their systems. Various seaweeds, for example, contain up to 0.5% of iodine, and Chile saltpeter contains up to 0.2% of sodium iodate. Here, important atomic and physical properties of group 17 elements other than tennessine are given along with their electronic configurations. Tennessine is a synthetic radioactive element. Its symbol is Ts, atomic number 117, atomic mass 294, and electronic configuration Rn 5f14, 6d10, 7s2, 7p5. Only very small amount of the element can be prepared. Also, its half-life is in milliseconds only. That is why its chemistry could not be established. Atomic number of fluorine is 9, atomic mass is 19, electronic configuration is He, 2s2, 2p5, covalent radius is 64, ionic radius is 133, ionization enthalpy is 1680, electron gain enthalpy is -333, electronegativity is 4, and delta H is 515. Melting point of F2 is 54.4, boiling point is 84.9, density 1.5, distance 143, bond dissociation enthalpy 158.8, and EMF 2.87. The trends of atomic, physical, and chemical properties are discussed below. Electronic configuration: all these elements have 7 electrons in their outermost shell, NH2nP5, which is 1 electron short of the next noble gas. The halogens have the smallest atomic radii in their respective periods due to maximum effective nuclear charge. The atomic radius of fluorine, like other elements of second period, is extremely small. Atomic and ionic radii increase from fluorine to iodine due to increasing number of quantum shells. They have little tendency to lose electron, thus they have very high ionization enthalpy. Due to increase in atomic size, ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. Electron gain enthalpy: halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the corresponding periods. This is due to the fact that the atoms of these elements have only one electron less than stable noble gas configurations. Electron gain enthalpy of the elements of the group becomes less negative down the group. However, the negative electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. It is due to small size of fluorine atom. As a result, there are strong interelectronic repulsions in the relatively small 2p orbitals of fluorine, and thus the incoming electron does not experience much attraction. Electronegativity: they have very high electronegativity. The electronegativity decreases down the group. Fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. Physical properties: halogens display smooth variations in their physical properties. Fluorine and chlorine are gases. Bromine is a liquid and iodine is a solid. Their melting and boiling points steadily increase with atomic number. all halogens are colored. This is due to absorption of radiations in visible region, which results in the excitation of outer electrons to higher energy level. By absorbing different quanta of radioization, they display different colors. For example, F2 has yellow, Cl2 greenish yellow, Br2 red, and I2 violet color. Fluorine and chlorine react with water. Bromine and iodine are only sparingly soluble in water but are soluble in various organic solvents such as chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide, and hydrocarbons to give colored solutions. One curious anomaly we notice from 7.8 table is the smaller enthalpy of dissociation of F2 compared to that of Cl2, whereas XX bond dissociation enthalpies from chlorine onwards show the expected trend: chlorine greater than bromine and greater than iodine. A reason for this anomaly is the relatively large electron-electron repulsion among the lone pairs in F2 molecule, where they are much closer to each other than in case of Cl2. Chemical properties, oxidation states and trends in chemical reactivity. All the halogens exhibit -1 oxidation state. However, chlorine, bromine, and iodine exhibit +1, +3, +5, and +7 states also, as explained below. The higher oxidation states of chlorine, bromine, and iodine are realized mainly when the halogens are in combination with the small and highly electronegative fluorine and oxygen atoms. Example: in interhalogens, oxides and oxoacids, the oxidation states of +4 and +6 occur in the oxides and oxoacids of chlorine and bromine. The fluorine atom has no d orbitals and its valence shell and therefore cannot expand and octet. Being the most electronegative, it exhibits only -1 oxidation state. All the halogens are highly reactive. They react with metals and nonmetals to form halides. The reactivity of the halogen decreases down the group. The ready acceptance of an electron is the reason for the strong oxidizing nature of halogens. F2 is the strongest oxidizing halogen and it oxidizes other halide ions in solution or even in the solid phase. In general, a halogen oxidizes halide ions of higher atomic number. F2 plus 2x negative gives 2f negative plus x2. Cl2 plus 2s negative gives 2Cl negative plus x2. Br2 plus 2i negative gives 2Br negative plus i2. The decreasing oxidizing ability of the halogens in aqueous solution down the group is evident from their standard electrode potentials, which are dependent on the parameters indicated below. The relative oxidizing power of halogens can further be illustrated by the reactions with water. Fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen, whereas chlorine and bromine react with water to form corresponding hydrohalic and hypohalous acids. The reaction of iodine with water is non-spontaneous. In fact, I negative can be oxidized by oxygen in acidic medium, just the reverse of the reaction observed with fluorine. 2F2 plus 2H2O gives 4H positive plus 4H negative plus O2. X2 plus H2O gives HX plus HOX. 4I negative plus 4H positive plus O2 gives 2I2 plus 2H2O. Anomalous behavior of fluorine. Like other elements of P block present in second period of the periodic table, fluorine is anomalous in many properties. For example, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, and electrode potentials are all higher for fluorine than expected from the trends set by other halogens. Also, ionic fluorine, ionic and covalent radii, melting point and boiling point, enthalpy of bond dissociation, and electron gain enthalpy are quite lower than expected. The anomalous behavior of fluorine is due to its small size, high gas electronegativity, low FF bond dissociation enthalpy, and non-availability of d orbitals in valence shell. Most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic due to small and strong bond formed by it with other elements. It forms only one oxoacid while other halogens form a number of oxoacids. Hydrogen fluoride is a liquid due to strong hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bond is formed in HF due to small size and high electronegativity of fluorine. Other hydrogen halides, which have bigger size and less electronegativity, are gases. Reactivity towards hydrogen. They all react with hydrogen to give hydrogen halides, but affinity for hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. Hydrogen halides dissolve in water to form hydrohalic acids. Some of the properties of hydrogen halides are given in table. The acidic strength of these acids varies in the order HF is less than HCl, is less than HBr, is less than HI. The stability of these halides decreases down the group due to decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy in the order HF is greater than HCl, is greater than HBr, is greater than HI. Reactivity towards oxygen. Halogens form many oxides with oxygen, but most of them are unstable. Fluorine forms two oxides OF2 and O2F2. However, only OF2 is thermally stable at 298 Kelvin. These oxides are essentially oxygen fluorides because of the higher electronegativity of fluorine than oxygen. Both are strong fluorinating agents. O2F2 oxidizes plutonium to PuF6 and the reaction is used in removing plutonium as PuF6 from spent nuclear fuel. Chlorine, bromine and iodine form oxides in which the oxidation states of these halogens range from +1 to +7. A combination of kinetic and thermodynamic factors lead to the generally decreasing order of stability of oxides formed by halogens. I is greater than Cl is greater than Br. High stability of oxides of iodine is due to greater polarizability of bond between iodine and oxygen. In the case of chlorine, multiple bond formation between chlorine and oxygen takes place due to availability of d orbitals. This leads to increase in stability. Bromine lacks both the characteristics, hence stability of oxides of bromine is least. The higher characteristics, hence stability of oxides of bromines is least. The higher oxides of halogens tend to be more stable than the lower ones. Chlorine oxides Cl2O, ClO2, Cl2O6 and Cl2O7 are highly reactive oxidizing agents and tend to explode. ClO2 is used as a bleaching agent for paper pulp and textiles and in water treatment. The bromine oxides Br2O, BrO2 and BrO3 are the least stable halogen oxides, middle low anomaly, and exist only at low temperatures. They are very powerful oxidizing agents. The iodine oxides I2O4, I2O5, I2O7 are insoluble solids and decompose on heating. I2O5 is a very good oxidizing agent and is used in estimation of carbon monoxide. Reactivity towards metal. Halogen reacts with metal to form metal halides. For example, bromine reacts with magnesium to give magnesium bromide. The ionic character of halides decreases in the order Mf is greater than Mcl is greater than Mi, which is less than Mbr, where M is monovalent metal. If a metal exhibits more than one oxidation state, the halides in higher oxidation state will be more covalent than the one in lower oxidation state. For example, SnCl4, PbCl4, SbCl5, UF6 are more covalent than SnCl2, PbCl2, SbCl3 and UF4 respectively. Reactivity of halogens towards other halogens. Halogens combine amongst themselves to form a number of compounds known as interhalogens of the type XX, XX3, XX5, XX7, where X is a larger size halogen and X dash is smaller size halogen. Chlorine. Chlorine was discovered in 1774 by Scheele by the action of HCl on MnO2. In 1810, Davy established its elementary nature and suggested the name chlorine on account of its color. Preparation. It can be prepared by any of the following methods: by heating manganese dioxide with concentrated hydrochloric acid. Preparation. It can be prepared by any of the following methods: by heating manganese dioxide with concentrated hydrochloric acid. MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. However, a mixture of common salt and concentrated H2SO4 is used in place of HCl. 4NaCl plus MnO2 plus 4H2SO4 gives MnCl2 plus 4NaHSO4 2H2O plus Cl2 by action of HCl on potassium permanganate. Manufacture of chlorine. Deacon's process. By oxidation of hydrogen chloride gas by atmospheric oxygen in presence of COCl2 at 723 Kelvin. 4HCl plus O2 Cl2. COCl2 gives 2Cl2 plus 2H2O. Electrolytic process. Chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of brine. Chlorine is liberated at anode. It is also obtained by a product in many chemical industries. Properties. It is greenish yellow with pungent and suffocating odor. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air. It can be liquefied easily into greenish yellow liquid which boils at 239 Kelvin. It is soluble in water. Chlorine acts with a number of metals and non-metals to form chlorides. It has great affinity for hydrogen. It reacts with compounds containing hydrogen to form HCl. With cold and dilute alkalis, chlorine produces a mixture of chloride and hypochlorite, but with hot and concentrated alkalis, it gives chloride and chlorate. 2NaOH plus Cl2 gives NaCl plus NaOCl plus H2O. 6NaOH plus 3Cl2 gives 5NaCl plus NaClO3 plus 3H2O. With dry slag lime, it gives bleaching powder. 2CaOH whole twice plus 2Cl2 gives CaOCl2 whole twice plus CCl2 plus 2H2O. The composition of bleaching powder is CaOCl2.CaCl2.CaOH whole twice dot 2H2O. Chlorine reacts with hydrocarbons and gives substitution products with saturated carbons and addition products with unsaturated hydrocarbons. For example, CH4 plus Cl2 gives CH3Cl plus HCl. Chlorine water on standing loses its yellow color due to formation of HCl and HOCl. Hypochlorous acid HOCl so formed gives nascent oxygen, which is responsible for oxidizing and bleaching properties of chlorine. Chlorine oxidizes ferrous to ferric and sulfide to sulfate. Chlorine oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide and iodine to iodate. In the presence of water, they form sulfuric acid and iodic acid respectively. Chlorine is a powerful bleaching agent. Bleaching action is due to oxidation. It bleaches vegetable or organic matters in presence of moisture. Bleaching effect of chlorine is permanent. Uses. It is used for bleaching wood pulp, bleaching cotton and textiles, in the extraction of gold and platinum, in the manufacture of dyes, drugs and organic compounds, in sterilizing drinking water, and preparation of poisonous gas such as phosgene, tear gas and mustard gas. Hydrogen chloride. Glauber prepared this acid in 1648 by heating common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid. Davy in 1810 shows that it is a compound of hydrogen and chlorine. In laboratory, it is prepared by heating sodium chloride with concentrated H2SO4. HCl gas can be dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. Properties. It is colorless and pungent smelling gas. It is easily liquefied to a colorless liquid and freezes to a white crystalline solid. It is extremely soluble in water and ionizes as follows: HCl plus H2O gives H3O positive plus Cl negative. Its aqueous solution is called hydrochloric acid. Half value of dissociation constant indicates that it is a strong acid in water. It reacts with NH3 and gives white fumes of NH4Cl. When 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3 are mixed, aqua regia is formed, which is used for dissolving noble metals. Hydrochloric acid decomposes salts of weaker acids. Example: carbonates, hydrogenocarbonates, sulfides, etc. Uses. It is used in manufacture of chlorine, NH4Cl and glucose, extracting glue from bones and purifying bone black, in medicine and as a lab reagent. Oxoacids of halogens. Due to high electronegativity and small size, fluorine forms only one oxoacid, HOF, known as fluoric acid or hypofluorous acid. The other halogens form several oxoacids. Most of them cannot be isolated in pure state. They are stable in aqueous solutions or in the form of their salts. The oxoacids of halogens are given and their structures. Interhalogen compounds. When two different halogens react with each other, interhalogen compounds are formed. They can be assigned a general composition as XX-, XX3-, XX5-, and XX7-, where X is a halogen of larger size and X- of smaller size, and X is more electropositive than X-. As the ratio between radii of X and X- increases, the number of atoms per molecule also increases. Thus, iodine fluoride should have maximum number of atoms, as the ratio of radii between I and F should be maximum. That's why its formula is IF7. Preparation. The interhalogen compounds can be prepared by direct combination or by action of halogen on lower interhalogen compounds. The product depends on some specific conditions. Cl2 plus F2 gives 2ClF. I2 plus 3Cl2 gives 2ICl3. Br2 plus 5F2 gives 2BrF5. Properties. These are all covalent molecules and diamagnetic in nature. They are volatile solids or liquids at 298 Kelvin, except ClF, which is a gas. Their physical properties are intermediate between those of constituent halogens, except that their melting point and boiling point are little higher than expected. Their chemical reactions can be compared with the individual halogens. In general, interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens, except fluorine. This is because XX- bond in interhalogens is weaker than XX bond in halogens, except FF bond. All these undergo hydrolysis, giving halide ion derived from the smaller halogen and a hypohalite, halite, halate, and perhalate, an ion derived from the larger halogen. XX- plus H2O gives HX- plus HOX. Their molecular structure are very interesting, which can be explained on the basis of VSEPR theory. The XX3 compound have a benti shape, XX5 compounds square pyramidal, and IF7 have pentagonal bipyramidal structures. Uses. These compounds can be used as non-aqueous solvents. Interhalogen compounds are very useful. Fluorinating agent. ClF3 and BrF3 are used for production of US6 in the enrichment of uranium. U plus 3 ClF3 gives UF6 plus 3 ClF.